You know, the toughest part about starting off with a screen printing business isn't the learning how to screen print. It is actually getting people to trust your work. So I've spent 2 years perfecting my craft, buying more adequate equipment so that I can be a more professional screen printer. That doesn't mean that I get customers overnight. You know, the biggest fear that people have with dealing with a startup screen printer is, well, is your quality good? Right now, the only way that people can test my quality is based on product I sell for my own personal brand. So I want to extend giving out my services. I do have a few clients who have trusted me with their services, and I'm very appreciative that you did trust me. But of course, in order for my business to continue, I'm going to need more customers. So how do I do that? Well, here's an easy way. The month of February is most associated with Valentine's Day, which most people use as a day of love. Let me spread some love. I'm gonna give one person, I'm holding up 2 fingers, I'm gonna give one person the opportunity to get a free job from me. It'll be a one color job, and I will supply the shirts. They're not gonna be ass color or Bella quality shirts. We're gonna use the typical Gildan shirts. Still gonna be a shirt that's not gonna fall apart, but you don't have to come out of your pocket. I will print you 20 to 30 one color job. So your one logo with one color, I'll print it for free. And then how are we gonna get this accomplished? Of course, social media. That's right. So I'm gonna post this here and here, as well as here. But the only way that I'm gonna be able to select is gonna be if you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and you comment on this video on YouTube. Now, I will also give you multiple entries based on you sharing this video on Facebook and on Instagram. So so today is February the 12th, Friday. Valentine's Day is Sunday. My daughter's birthday is Monday. What I will do on Tuesday is I will take all the names and entries that are there. We'll go on a site that randomizes the names, and I'll announce who it is that will get free services. Now, if it's only one person that participates, of course, one person gets free services. If it's 5 million people that participate, one of the 5 million. So again, Tuesday, I will randomly select the name. I'm not gonna pick a name. It's gonna be systematically done. And that's how we're gonna try to build this brand. Maybe I'll do this one time a month. That gives me multiple times to deal with multiple different people. So because it isn't a super expensive shirt that I'll be printing on, this isn't anything that's gonna hurt my wallet. I'll possibly consider doing this on a month-to-month basis. Just once a month. 1, I'll get to sharpen my craft. 2, I get to shake hands with new customers who can spread the word by word of mouth that I provide good services, of course. And it's not just subject to the people here in my city. If you are in a different city, we'll work it out, but we'll try to work it to where you cover for the shipping costs, but then you don't have to cover for the services. You don't have to cover for the t-shirts. And that's all I got for today, folks. Like, share, subscribe. Enjoy your Friday.